Romans were becoming poorer even as their armies were taking over new lands. Rival leaders led armies against each other. Many people died, and poverty grew. Review. Why would the Romans want to make friends of former enemies? Draw conclusions. The Republic ends. One way to gain great wealth and power in Rome was to lead an army in conquests. One of the most famous generals and Caesars, or rulers, was Julius Caesar. He was a person of great energy and talent. Between 58 and 51 BC, he conquered most of present-day France, the British Isles, and Belgium. He also took over parts of present-day Germany and Spain. After one victory, Caesar announced his triumph in 3 famous Latin words: Veni, Vidi, Vici. I came, I saw, I conquered. As Julius Caesar won more victories, a power struggle broke out between him and 2 other Roman generals. Caesar won the struggle and was made ruler for life. Caesar tried to control the number of slaves in Rome and worked to increase jobs. However, his growing power worried many patricians. They were afraid that Caesar would destroy the Republic by taking total power in Rome. In 44 BC, Caesar was stabbed to death on the floor of the Senate. With Caesar's death, the struggle for power began. Once again, civil war broke out in Rome, as several leaders fought for power. The Roman Republic, founded nearly 500 years earlier, was at its end. Review. Why did the patricians worry about Caesar's growing power? Main idea and details. Roads in the Republic. During the period of the Republic, the Romans began using concrete to build roads. Concrete is a building material made from a mixture of crushed stone, sand, cement, and water. Once it dries, concrete is very strong. The Roman roads were built over all kinds of surfaces: lakes, deep ravines, and mountains. They were even designed to drain water off the road surface. The most famous of these roads is the Appian Way. It stretched for more than 350 miles south and then east of Rome. Even today, parts of ancient Rome's road system can be seen in many places. Review. Why do you think the Romans used concrete to build their roads? Draw conclusions. Summarize the lesson. Circa 500 BC, the Romans set up a republic. 264 to 146 BC. After 3 bloody wars, the Romans defeated Carthage. 44 BC. Julius Caesar was stabbed to death on the floor of the Senate.